Where are my products? Try to avoid having to make this face. Your products, you worked on years, thousands of listings. And what do? You list them on Etsy or eBay or Amazon and you don't keep a copy. And what happens if, eBay decides to freeze your account, or Etsy for that, or Amazon? So it doesn't make sense at all to list on some third-party channel without keeping an exact copy of your listings. That's totally. So what is the solution? The solution is backup. You should backup your listings because most of us sellers list products, use as e-commerce venues, third-party platforms, marketplaces. We do not control those marketplaces. We do not control their policies, their changes. We do not control by whom they get acquired. So it's not smart to let the continuity of your work, of your business, depending on somebody else's policies. So you do have to back up your listings. What are the solutions for this? Nembol offers a very, very easy solution, the Idle Plan. You connect your account, your Etsy account, your eBay account, your Amazon account, your WooCommerce account, whatever, to Nembol. You click the Get Products button, you import all your products into Nembol, then you turn on any paid account, which is the account minimum for the amount of products you do have in Nembol. And by the end of the first month, you scale down to what is called idle. And this will guarantee that Nembol will keep for you a copy of your listings as they are. Your Nembol account will be frozen in terms of any other functions, so no listings, no syncing, no price rules, nothing, just a backup. Whenever you need to backup again, you reinstate your Nembol account and you'll be able to download your products wherever, to go multi-channel, to have a CSV file with all of them, and so on. That's the very easy backup solution for multi-channel seller. Don't go on without a backup.